Okay.
To recap, the spacewalk began just a few minutes ahead of schedule at 3:39 p.m. Central Time. Olivas and Fugelsang, moving out for the third and final spacewalk of the mission, have operated quite efficiently, deploying a payload attachment cargo platform on the S3 or starboard 3 truss of the International Space Station that will accept a pallet of spare parts to be delivered on the sts128 mission in November, the flight of Atlantis, the next shuttle flight to the International Space Station. And now are working on the installation of a pair of global positioning system antennas in the S0 truss. Inside the International Space Station, Bob Thirsk reported a while ago that he completed the removal and replacement of a failed common berthing mechanism bolt assembly. So we now have all 16 bolts in good shape at the interface holding the Leonardo cargo module to the Earth-facing Port Harmony connecting node.
And green light. Thank you. You can do the last one. Inwards. Danny, connector 3 of 5, getting in my van, on the jack, pins are straight. You gotta go for me. And numbers on that bolt here, 8.3 tons, 9.14 green light. I think that it should both freeze them a little bit before I kind of pushed them down and started to drive. That's why it got a little bit higher number of them. Okay, Christopher, those numbers still sound good, and you have a go to mate the connectors in the order. I've got your numbers. All right, proceed.
With Olivas and Fugelsang working to peak efficiency today, the spacewalk officer in Mission Control reports that the anticipation is once these two global positioning system antennas are bolted into place, we should be still about 40 minutes ahead of the timeline.
I'm not really there yet, but I will be in a minute. I'm going to place my cable there. Working on this connector fail for a little bit. Seems like it's kind of jammed. So, did you have a problem with me closing it again and then trying to open it one more time? The one I've tried so far was a little bit hard, but nothing extreme. It was pretty tough. to disengage from the cap. Okay, and is that P562? P561 to J1. Okay, so you've connected K2. That's correct. And I'm working K2, ready to connect. I verified, no fraud, 2D band, and radius. Okay, you've got to go to mate. Stand by there. One option would be to maybe tap it with a hook. Let me just check the curve sheet real quick. Sure. Station Discovery, Houston on 1 for UVA. Go ahead, Houston. Yeah, Pat, I don't think there's anything in the crib sheet, but the recommendation from UVA is to make sure that the bail is fully over center. Copy. And Danny, let me know if that helps. No, not really. You get a little bit more mechanical advantage because my thumbs are just not, can't push it with my thumbs. I have had this one was also fairly tough. You know, when I pulled with one hand on the cap and the thumb on the other one on the veil. Ah, there you go. Hit the man, Krister. Worked? Very good, yes sir. Oh, I'm done. Yes sir, okay. Andy, copy Houston. And we copy. Krister taking great alight here at the ground. Thanks. Ready made J1, I verified, no fault, send radius, see my band. Okay, you gotta go for mate. Alright. Can I confirm the same for J1 on GPS 2?
Working in tandem and in simultaneous fashion, Danny Olivas and Krister Fugelsang mating electrical connections to the two global positioning system antennas that have now been installed on the S0 truss.
And then give me WBS. Okay. So is this required, right? Or do we require them though? Yeah, only if the wire tie is required. And Danny, if I didn't tell you, to go for that. Copy that. Okay, J1 is connected on GPS 2. Okay, great, Danny. For you, same thing. We're going to close the shroud. If you need to use wire ties, use them, and then we'll do a little WVS survey. Copy that.
All the electrical connections now made to both global positioning system antennas. A thermal shroud will be closed around that hardware. The crew continuing to work in very, very swift fashion and ahead of the timeline.